Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Maverick Custom. So I personally liked this one, so I bought it. It looked really cool, so I bought it. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So as usual, I bought this for MRP, which is 179. So there are a lot of scalpers, roaming around, and they are just buying everything and selling for like 300, 400. I'm talking about per casting. Honestly, first of all, Hot Wheels are not, especially the main lines, are not worth that much. And for the guys who really want to buy these castings, please be don't desperate. You can get a good premium model, either a Tomica mainline or a Tomica premium for those kind of price range, which those are really worth it. You can see it here. So in this entire set, you can see, this one is by Measured, which is really amazing, by the way. And these two Lamborghini, the Gallardo, the Countach 25th anniversary edition, the Miura Jota in the rear, and the Diablo here, and this 50th anniversary edition here, all are by Tomica. Only this one is by Hot Wheels, and this is a premium one. This is Essenza, and the one behind the Gallardo, that is actually Centenario, and that one is by Matchbox, I think, collector's edition. So honestly, I prefer Tomica over these brands. I mean, compared to Hot Wheels or Matchbox. Okay, let's talk about this casting now. So overall, the casting looks really amazing. This is really super awesome, by the way, and it does have headlight details, which is really nice. It looks very futuristic, to be very honest. Wow, this detail looks really nice, and it does have rear view mirrors. So the only thing I don't really like is they're chroming out everything, which is they could have went with the black, like matte black, or at least even glossy black, something like that, or even maybe glossy red. Red and blue is always like a heroic combination. So the livery looks really nice, and it does have some details here for the tail lights, which is really nice, and there are no details on the rear exactly. So the bed here, this part is plastic, that is not metal, if you guys are wondering. And so the body is fully metal, and this part here is plastic, chassis is plastic, and okay, this is also plastic here. The rims looks really nice, specifically for this casting, and it is teensy bit heavy, not too much, but a little bit. So it does have some good interior detail to it, but honestly, the scratches are now on the inside, not on the outside. The paint job looks good. It does have some minor issues here, you can see here, but still it is overall a nice and beautiful casting. Good hood details here, it's really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It rolls really good. Okay, the wheels doesn't wobble, which is really nice, and it rolls in a straight line, which is really nice. It may not be very fast, but it doesn't have any wheel wobble. It rolls in a straight line. It rolls really nice. Overall, it's an awesome casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.